Ground girl loves they want you over and over, but love blind and the heart leading. Now look, truth loud, pain louder. You hear the whispers, but you're calling nice. Everybody talk, but you trust your choice. Them say watch him, you say nah, not mine. Now the red flags line up like a warning sign. You build dreams span borrowed land. No span is family ground, not your plan. You plant roots where you had no claim. Now the rain fall hard, who you really blame? Gave him your heart, your soul, your time. Even gave him a child, a life combined. But love wasn't equal, truth revealed slow. Why you build a future, he plan for go. Look how them tell you, look how them plead. But love make you blind, now you bleed. Built on ground that was never yours. Now you're standing outside closed doors. He give you a child and walk away. Trade your nights for a brighter day. With a teacher lady, clean and new. Why you left asking, what happened to you? You defend his name like armor strong. Turn your back when people say him wrong. Now the silence loud, the truth cut deep. All the tears you cry when you try to sleep. He never build you, you build him up. Pour your love in an empty cup. Now the cup crack, nothing remain. Just echoes of love and permanent pain. You sacrifice just to make it work, while he hide truth under charm and smirk. Now your reality hard and cold. Story of love that was never gold. Look how them tell you, look how them plead. But love make you blind, now you bleed. Built on ground that was never yours. Now you standing outside closed doors. He give you a child and walk away. Trade your night for a brighter day. With a teacher lady, clean and new. Why you left asking, what happened to you? This not just heartbreak, this betrayal deep. The kind that wake you from your sleep. The kind that show you who was real and who just play you like a deal. But hear me now, this not your end. Strength grow where the heart must mend. From broken ground, your rise again. No more building on shifting sand. You're stronger now, though pain still fresh. No more settling for anything less. Next time you build it, stand your name. No borrowed ground, no hidden game. Let him go where him choose to stay. Your light too bright fi fade away. From ashes rise, from tears you grow. And one day peace is all you know. Them did warn you, now you see. Truth reveal what love can be. But from this fall you find your crown. No more lost on borrowed ground. He walk away, but you remain. Stronger woman through the pain. And when you build again someday, it will be yours. No one take away. Grown God lifestyle. Lesson learned, not lost. Next time you build on solid ground.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Sometimes in life, it doesn't matter how big or how small we are. Sometimes in life, listening is one of the greatest things. If me did know, is also one of the most powerful sentence there is in life. If me did know, another powerful sentence in life, me shoulda did a listen. Guys, sometimes it doesn't matter how big you is, you should listen. It doesn't matter how small you is, you should listen. There is a word that says love is blind, but love is not blind. Love have eyes to see. A lot of us don't see and think it is love. When someone is using us to get to the next point. Welcome, guys. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay? You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you not feel no pain. If you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Go check the doctor. Go to the doctor. Call the doctor. Make the doctor come to your yard if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, no worry yourself. We'll go call your sister, your brother, your cousin, your auntie-in-law, your sister-in-law, your brother-in-law. We go call everybody and make somebody come check you and carry you go to the doctor. Guys, wellness check, please. May I beg you, do some wellness check for your friends, your family, and even your enemy. You cook my food? Me want some, give me some. Or may I beg you, give to somebody who don't have any, to the person who need it, to Bubble Jebs, to Pressa, to Cassandra, to Jennifer. Share some of the food. And guys, if today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Enough respect. Have a beautiful day. Guys, I don't really know how to say this or how to start this or how to put it. I'm tired of saying you should have listened. We did tell you. We did warn you. Who did warn you from who never warn you and who never tell you and who wanted the best for you. Who me attack? God. Guys, it no look good, it no sound good, and as far as me concerned, it never look good from day one. When you're there with a man or a woman, and them a play hide and seek, and they don't want nobody to know, say you want them in a relationship, that is the biggest red flag there is in life. When you have a woman or a man, you're supposed to feel very proud of letting somebody or other people know that you're in a relationship with that person. In this situation, that wasn't that. In other words, is in this situation that I'm going to talk about, that wasn't the factor. I'm talking about Grungad and Nick Vlog. When the two of them did get together in the first place, Nick Vlog never want nobody to know say him was with Grungad because him is not proud of Grungad. When Grungad get pregnant, Nick Vlog didn't want nobody to know either because him never proud of knowing, making people know that he get Grungad pregnant. So what that said to us as people looking in, we realize, we know that Nick Vlog wasn't a good man. We said it. We say it. We tell her. We talk about it. We say everything. We do everything. It go as far as Cola Smith. And he get in a trouble and get in a problem and all hell break loose. Now, listen me good. Nick Vlog, come and talk to you a little bit. What was the real reason why you get into Grungad? The main reason was because you wanted to get to Cola Smith. That was the main reason. However, we're not talking about that mainly right now. What we really are talking about is what are going on right now. So Nick Vlog, make we clear up this part first. The white woman. Where is the white woman? The white woman is nowhere to be found. The white woman is missing. The white woman was just for a moment. The white woman was like Christmas gift. The white woman was something you were trying. However, the white woman see right through you very early. Now, let me say this to you, Nick Vlog. Just as how you did Grungad by not wanting to let anybody know about her, is the same thing you did with this teacher woman. Yes, you did not put her on your page. No, you didn't make a video on your page with her. Notice what happened. She's on, you is on her TikTok. Hold on a little bit. What you did to Grungad is one of the wickedest things to do to a woman. You make Grungad look small. You make every single person I look upon Grungad the worst way. You make every single person have the worst thing to say about Grungad. Yes, you make Grungad look very low and cheap because guess what? Of your ego. Forget to a person. You know you never want Grungad. You know you never want Grungad. And Grungad never did I listen to what nobody say. And now, look where Grungad reach. Grungad in a very, very difficult and a very bad situation. My viewers and subscribers, as bad as things is, you do not treat a human being like that. Grungad is not the first woman who go be in this situation, and she will not be the last. However, dealing with a woman this way is not a very good thing. And I'm going to move over a little bit to this lady, this teacher woman. This teacher woman don't look like a very easygoing woman. She say a February she born and she not take talk. Hold on. She say a February she born and she do not take talk. One thing me hear she said too, in a some comment where she write, as a teacher, with the comment them where you write on your TikTok page, you really not TikTok and you really do not care because as a teacher, the words that you write on there, I as a parent would not want you as a teacher to teach my kid. Now, what I'm going to say right now is just me being the real me. She says she's 7 months pregnant. She is directing a lot of statement to Grungad. From what she's writing on her TikTok page, there is a problem between her and Grungad. There is issues going on. It looked like there is a small war developing or going on between she, the new woman, the teacher, the lady that is 7 months pregnant for Nick Vlog. Look like there is problem going on between she and Grungad. Look like there is talking. Look like there going to be violence or war soon. Because this woman is patting our front part there and patting our front part and all those kind of things. That to show the kind of individual that this woman is. Now, Nick Vlog, Rumor have it that you take the money that Grungad was making from her YouTube channel to spend on this lady. Rumor have it. Listen, guys. Rumor have it that Nick Vlog take some of the money that Grungad had was to put on the house to use it on this lady. I don't know if it is true, yes or no, because guess what? This lady is a teacher. Whether if she's a teacher for a small school or a big school, she's working, she's getting paid. Maybe she's using her own money. I also noticed that I saw this lady take out a ring, a married ring, for a man and a woman out of a bag. What we think this woman is doing? This woman is doing everything to make Grungad look small. I am not defending Grungad. I am not defending nobody. The only thing I'm saying is this. Nick Vlog, you is one of the dirtiest and the lowest kind of man there is. You did not, and hold on, before me go any further, I say, let me talk to this lady here. Let me talk to you. You notice Nick Vlog do not put you on his channel. Do you notice that? Do you notice that Nick Vlog did not put you on his Facebook channel? Nick Vlog is hiding you just like how he hide Grungad. If it wasn't for you who posting pictures and videos of you and Nick Vlog, nobody would know that you and Nick Vlog was together. You know what you're doing. You know what you are doing. It's like you are tell the world that yes, I may have him. To be honest, nothing is wrong with you dating with Nick Vlog. The only thing is Nick Vlog should be a man. Yes, should be a man. And if Nick Vlog in our relationship, nobody can beat him for that. Nobody can do him anything for that. However, man up and be proud of your relationship and stop hide and seek with your relationship because he's a wicked. Now, check this out. This teacher woman that you said that you're with now, rumor have it that she also pregnant. You went, you get Grungad pregnant. Now Grungad is another single parent. Now you get this teacher woman pregnant. Is she going to be another single woman or a single baby mama? Now let me move on to the meat of the real serious matter. With all this what's going on, the house is on Nick Vlog. Property, family, property. My question again to Grungad, how it a go? How is it really going to go, knowing that this house is a Nick Vlog family property? How it's going to go? You never listen to nobody. You did not listen to people. You did not listen to when people was talking to you. Now, if this man get with what's going on with this woman, and this man get into that you have to go, you have to leave the property. How are you going to get your money back? How are you going to get your money back? Grungad, how are you going to get your money back? How are you going to, where you go live? I hope, I hope you have your receipts because you were sending Nick Vlog to buy these things. Jesus. Grungad, I hope you have your receipts because many times I see Nick Vlog when going to buy board, black sand, cement, and everything. I hope you have your receipt because if you don't have the receipt them with your name on it, dog, nyam all of your supper, you don't have nothing to eat. Guys, this is a serious lesson. This is a serious lesson. And guess what? Me, I learned from it too. I learned from it. And what I am learning from it is when you see red flag, you see me have a red shirt. When you see red flag, do not turn your eyes away from the red flag. Because right now, if Grungad was looking at these red flags, she would not in a relationship with Nick Vlog. But 7 months pregnant. And I also want to say to this young lady, this young teacher lady, don't get too excited. Because as a matter of fact, you said you not left him. But Grunga did have the same words. But Grunga didn't left him. He left Grunga. Me know a lot of people out there I go bash Grungad. A lot of people I go bash Grungad. Yeah, a lot of them. A lot of people are going to say she get what she deserve. However, my people, no go too hard on her. She a human being. She have a life. She have a heart. And to all of the people we can't help her or we used to help her, no forget her. Because we all make stupid love mistake. Because one thing me have to say, when you go in a relationship, yeah, when you see a man with a woman and you go in the relationship, always remember, pray and hope say the same thing what you do to that relationship it don't happen to you too. Always remember that. Because you have to remember, say, one of the reasons why Nick Vlog was hiding the relationship with Grungad was because he made that day with the next woman. Before Grungad, while him and Grungad did there, that's one of the reasons why he never want nobody know say him and Grungad there. Now, he might do the same thing with you. Some viewers and subscribers don't go out there and too much of a hate and beat down Grungad. Nick Vlog is the person who me know enough how you even see him. But make this be a lesson. Make this be a lesson to each and every one of you that we all should listen to somebody who is on the outside looking in. You may believe that you're on the inside and you know everything. Sit and play a chess game or checkers or any of those games. The person who is watching you see more moves than you who is playing the game. That's why them have a saying to say who quote the game. My viewers and subscribers, relationship is not relationship don't must have to last forever. You want it to last forever. But relationship sometimes tear apart. And it happen to any and everybody. So with Nick Vlog and Grungad not together again. And now Nick Vlog is with the teacher. What can I say? Me did tell you, Grungad. We did tell you. But what no dead, no dash away. You have a life, you have your kids. Be strong, hold on, and move on from Nick Vlog. Don't go and fight over no man. Me I talk to you. Don't go fight over no man. Don't go act stupid over no man that don't want you. Never want you. All you need to do right at this present time is hold on strong and just push forward. Make your videos, live your life you love, and love the life you live, because the only thing you can do is sit down, cry, sob. Um, if me did know, what else? That's all you can do right now. So, in other words, is walk good. And remember, we are not too old to learn something. We are not too old to listen. And remember this, you are not alone. People out here is willing to help you. People out here is willing to talk to you. It's just you have to listen. Nick Vlog, let me tell you something as a man. You're weak. Yeah, man, you're weak. You need to control your lady. Yeah, man, you need to control her. You need to say to her, say, me and you there now. You need to stop, put out those statements towards my kid mother. Because remember, you and Grungad have a kid together. So no matter what this woman say, you will be in Grungad life for the next 19 years. To be honest with you, me go say this to you. A year youth, Grungad have, take care of your youth. Make sure your youth eat. Make sure your youth have clothes. Yeah, man. Me personally, me not really come here to bash you or to say nothing bad or rugged. Me just come here to send a message. Take care of your youth. Look out for your youth. And also, to be honest with you, Nick Vlogger, you may talk to you. If you do not have anything to do or anything, the house where Grungad built, go and talk to your family them. Make them allow her to stay there. Make them allow her to at least get a little piece of paper for that part of land. Make Grungad get the money, severe that little piece of land, and make she get a piece of paper for the piece of land. So that means that piece of land go be fair. At least you can do that fair for the youth where you have with her. At least you can do that for your youth and for her. Because she give up a lot for you. Grungad give up everything just for you. Grungad give up her livelihood for you. And look what you do too. Or, you know them have a saying to say you're spitting at the sky and it go far right in your eye. That's exactly what happened to Grungad because Grungad spitting at the sky. Grungad bite the hands that feed her just for you. And look what you have done. Look what you do to the young lady. You turn your back on her because what? This teacher woman look fine and is nice and dandy. And Grungad don't look like this lady. Grungad don't look refined like this lady. No disrespect to Grungad, but truth is the truth. So you dish Grungad dirt. Let me say this. Me beat up Grungad. Yeah, man, me beat up Grungad because this was the same reason why many of us beat up Grungad. This was the same reason we beat her up. Because we knew said you wasn't the person for her. We know it. We know because we see you. I remember, if it wasn't for Grungad, you would not be out there. Nobody would know nothing about you. So you ride pan Grungad fame and you throw her up and spit her out like chewing gum. Jesus. My viewers and subscribers, me not go no more in it. Me go left little bit tight for another day. But remember, Grungad is a human being. And Grungad is not the first and is not the last woman a man go left. So my viewers and subscribers, stay good, walk good, and remember, you are not alone. Always remember that you're not alone. I'm out. Bye bye. Stay strong. Hold strong until the next video. I'm out.